Inspection overview of unit 603. We're going to start right here on the roof and then go all the way around. So this is your unit here for your space, and there's some information on it. It's International Comfort System. It is manufactured in 2017, so that's a good thing. It does have the new refrigerant, which is 410A, and one of the newer ones. Now we have R32, and also we have 434R. But anyway, that one is still good. Here is a mini split that seems to be abandoned up here on the roof, probably to cool something off downstairs, but it's not connected and it's abandoned. The roof looks in good shape. It's probably maintained by the facility. So all that is good here. And also this is part of your roof and it's in good shape. And this right here is the hatch to go down. A couple of things on this. There's some stains in here. So probably there was water stain at one time coming from the roof or the flashing, but it's dry. So there's it's not a wet spot right now, but this is right on top of the electrical equipment, so it's good to make sure that it is sealed and it does not get any stain inside the unit or the space. The latch here is hard to operate, so it might need to get some lubrication, and then I'll continue going down and complete the video. Coming down the stairs, this is where the computer equipment is, telecommunication, and then we make sure that we check all the outlets, make sure we have electricity on them, and I check them with this probe right here, and we check to make sure that the GFCIs are working. That's a ground fault circuit interrupter, like that, and we check all your outlets to make sure they have electricity. This refrigerator and freezer, I'm not sure if it's going to stay, but it's full of ice, as you can see. So most likely would have to be cleaned up or replaced. This is your hot water heater. It is 20 gallons and everything seems to be okay in it. It was temperature, good temperature, so all that is good. We opened the electrical panel here and we looked inside to make sure that everything is okay here. Only thing we're asking is for this to be labeled. There's labeling here, but it's very hard to compare this to this. So they should label it over here. So I looked inside and everything looks good inside there. Continuing around here, the fire extinguisher here, they need to get one up to date. This one expired. Then they need an evacuation route. And I wrote up that all the walls need repairs because they have to remove all these stickers. Also, they need to remove this biohazard material here. And also going around, the same thing on these walls. There's a little bit of moisture stain here, but it's dry and it's coming from the air conditioning system. It seems like sometimes the air conditioning system sweats. And then over here, a little bit of moisture here also coming from the air conditioning system. So then going around here, we looked at the flooring. The carpeting might need to get cleaned because of the stains that you can see. And some of these lights do not work. They might need to replace the lamp. And again, this carpet as well will need to be cleaned. And basically, that will be inside. There are more additional information, but pretty much this is all in it. I will do the outside, and then we'll finish it up. Here on the outside, basically, the only thing we find, suggestion would be to replace this window here because it looks like there's moisture in between the window pane, as you can see here. So there might be a question for replacement, but there's no termites, no signs of termites. So you will get the 1 year warranty that if you find termites, then you call the company Action Termites and they'll come and treat it for free. This is where the electrical rooms are, here and here. We are not allowed to go in there, so we could not open those doors. But I'll send you the report, and if you have any questions, you give me a call. Thanks.